Are you thinking about affiliate marketing? Try these great ideas. When you take time to apply a proper affiliate marketing plan and program, it really does show. It shows that you care about proper promotion of your site through an effective affiliate program. That is very impressive. Like with any other skill set, you can always add and improve. Below are some tips to help. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers, and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. If you're an affiliate marketer who operates a blog, you definitely want to keep tabs on which blog posts are more popular and which aren't receiving any feedback. You don't want to delete unpopular blog posts, but you will want to stick with the working themes and add more content that your visitors appreciate. Do not get caught out advertising products for a merchant that will not ship to your website's visitors. On the internet, it is easy to forget how big the world is, and not all of the affiliate marketing partners you can join up with ship all the way around that world. Do not waste time on an advertiser that cannot ship to countries where the majority of your visitors live. To keep your affiliate marketing business generating the most money for you, you should keep verifying which ads are pulling for you and which do not. There are a number of tracking programs available to let you check the statistics of each ad individually and make comparisons between which ones work the best. You have the tools, the products, and the skill set to apply them all into an effective affiliate marketing plan. Excellent! These tips were constructed to add to your marketing plan, as you are never done learning or improving. You may have even found a new technique you can use with your plan. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.